Follow the steps on how to remove the white shine effect on your face using Photoshop. Let's start by opening the photo. Beforehand, I will soften this white area a little. Ctrl J for duplicates. Select this layer and make a mask. Click on this thumbnail and go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. I set it like this. Click this thumbnail and press Ctrl I to invert. Set the color position like this. Activate brushes. Set the hardness to 0% and the flow to around 10%. Make it like this. After that, press Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E to merge it into a new layer. Select this layer and go to Image, Adjustment and Desaturate. Go back to Image, Adjustments and select Levels. Set it like this. Activate brushes. Remove everything and leave only the problem areas. Prepare the channel panel, or you can bring it up through the window. Hold Ctrl and click this thumbnail. Go back to Layers and turn this off. Then add solid color. Select a skin color sample. Open Properties. Click on this thumbnail and adjust the feather. Finally, select these three layers and group them. And this is the result. Good luck! Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.